Pup, we have Rocky, and we're going to be doing a dog training tutorial showing you some obedience and some dog training equipment. We first want to let you know that if you like, comment, and subscribe, you will be entered into our raffle to earn Rocky's favorite bag of treats. So let's go over equipment first. This is a prong collar, and it's also called a pinch collar. It goes high up on the dog's neck to correct for unwanted behavior. You want it as close to the ears as possible, very high up. You also want to know your dog best. So you want to know if your dog is more food motivated or more ball motivated. Usually golden retrievers are more ball motivated, and Labrador retrievers are more food motivated. Rocky is more food motivated. So we're going to be using treats. Small treats work best because the dog inhales it quicker, and so the response and association is much quicker as well. So we're going to be doing sit now. Sit. Good boy. Nope. Sit. Good boy. You praise the good boy or good girl. When they don't do the command that you want, you say no. Now we're going to be doing down. Down. I like to put the treat in my hand in a fist, and then you keep it down until the dog goes down, and then you release the treat. Next is stay. You want to put a palm in front of their face for the gesture of stay. And then you want to move back. If they stay, you go to them and praise them. If they don't stay, you go to them and pull down on the prong collar. Good stay, good boy. Next, I'm going to be doing come. The hand signal for come is like this. If he does not come to me, then I would go to him, pull the prong collar towards myself. No. Come. Good boy. And then, since that Rocky came to me when I didn't ask him to, you have to say no to correct the behavior that you, so that the way the behavior that you do want decreases and the one that you do want increases. Rocky, come. This is sit. This is stay. This is down. And this is come. Thanks for watching our dog tutorial. The hand signal used for stay is simply a what is this called? Can you stop it? Thanks for watching our dog tutorial. Oh my god.